In this shitty video, I'm gonna review this fake ass camera that I bought. Alright, yo, so today I bought this shit. What is this shit? I don't know. I just bought it because it looked vintage, not even gonna lie. But to be honest, it looks dope as shit and it looks vintage as hell. And it was only $10. So yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna show it off, find out what the fuck I know about what I can do with it. As you guys know, I'm still learning about cameras, and this is a film camera. That means that it runs off of film. So pretty much, put the film here, film more right here, I believe. Pretty dirty, like it's been sitting for a while, but I mean, what do you expect? It's pretty fucking old. I'm gonna give it a deep clean. That doesn't mean we can't turn it on. Right here it says it's a motor driver. I'm not quite sure what the hell that is. I'm gonna look for the manual online. Hopefully it shows me what the hell. This top part right here is pretty cool. It's like a little glass mirror. You can see what the mirror is looking at. I'm pretty sure this like lets light in, but then again, I really don't know shit about cameras. So I believe this lens is motor driven, so you can zoom in, and I guess according to these little labels right here, according to the little labels right here, it adjusts to the light, I guess. It's a pretty cool feature. There's a little cloud, there's a little sun, cloud and a sun, and half a sun. It's a 50mm that's on there, and this is focus free, and I don't know what that means at all. So we'll figure it out. It runs on AA's. I already opened it and there was like batteries in there all fucking like dying and stuff. As you can see, it's probably, I can't really see. Kind of fucked it up already with, I feel like I'm gonna explode this bitch. Come on, yeah! Bro, that is destroyed. Is it open? Working? Can't tell. Whoa, whoa! It's on! It's on! It's on! It's alive! Bruh. I think what it's trying to do is load, yeah, it's trying to load film. So the film goes in here. It rolls over here and into there. Man. Does Walmart sell film? Dude! Do it again, do it again. Well, besides this, we'll put this aside for now. It also came with this, a whole $10. And it, you know, it's a flash, I know that. But it's fucking huge. I'm pretty sure it uses these giant batteries. What does that mean? Speak to me, child. How do you use this? Oh, so this part winds, that setting winds to this one is actually taking the photo. Oh God, this is so cool. I really don't know what the fuck I'm doing though. So, we're gonna Google it. Alright, so from this page, alright, you know what, I'll take y'all to like the first page I went to. So I looked up Canon TC-8000. Looks like there's nothing for that. Clicked on all these links and nothing came up. So then clicked on this one. This guy has the exact same one I do. Literally the same one. And from the comments it looks like it's not a real Canon, I guess. So I clicked on this one that this guy said your Canon falls into this category, and it looks like mine's actually an Olympia camera. So it's a cheap camera basically. I guess it's a trash cam according to this, but it was $10, so I ain't tripping. I'm still fucked with it. Okay, so I just bought the film. The film is Fujifilm. So let's pop this bitch open. I really don't know how to fucking install one of these. Take it out of the capsule. Bam. Well, I fucked it up. I have no clue where the fuck it went. Really.
Push the rewind knob down partway to hold the film in place. The right side spool has slots.
It looks like it's loaded. Pretty much. Kinda. I hope. Jesus, let's hope for the best. Let's see. I think I broke it. I just took a photo. Bruh. Well, there you have it. I really wanted to see how the photos would come out. So my plan was to figure out how this works, you know, make it work, and then do like a whole shoot of my car like in like the field or something. It literally won't take pictures at all. And I tried winding it, I tried doing everything. Even the motor drive doesn't work, which is the self timer that's supposed to be on it. Numbers that are in there correlate to what, like, it's like a Kodak camera, you know, like the little like windy ones, like disposable cameras. It's like that, and I'm not sure if the real film cameras actually run that way. So pretty much this is just a fucking joke. I cannot believe I actually bought this. But I mean, again, it was only $10. Fuck it. There's only one thing left to do with this shit.